We're going to practice dividing a 4-digit dividend by a 1-digit divisor. We're dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number, and we're using the partial quotient strategy. We have 2,400 divided by 2, so I'm just going to rewrite this. 2,400. I'm going to think, what can I multiply by 2 that's close to this, either close to this or the same number as this? Well, hopefully we know our multiples of 1,000. Well, 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. So I'm going to subtract that first. And 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I have 400 left. Now I need to start thinking about this. What can I multiply by 2 to get me close to this number or exactly this number? Now I'm just going to do like the book and do times 100. 2 times 100 is 200. And we subtract now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now you might have thought there, why didn't we just do 200? But you can do that whenever you're practicing yourself. It reduces the next step. It's one less step. But until we become comfortable with this process, you can go and do an extra step or two. It's all the same. We should get the same quotient, the same answer. So now again, I'm going to multiply 2 times 100 because that gives me 200. And I'll subtract that, and I get all the zeros left. I have nothing else to subtract. So now to find the answer here, the quotient, I've got to add up these numbers. So it's 1,000 plus 100 here plus this 100. So make sure you add them up correctly. Make sure you line them up. So it's 1,200. There's your answer. Example 2, 2,105 divided by 5. So I've got my 2,105. And I think, what can I multiply by 5 to get close to this? Now in the book you're going to see examples 1,100 and so on. You can go bigger than that to make it a quicker calculation. I know 5 times 100 is 500, but this is a big enough number for me to even go bigger than that. I might go 5 times 200. I might go 5 times 300. It's whatever you're comfortable with. In this example, I'll just go 5 times 200. Well, that's 1,000. I subtract that. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Well, if 1,105, I can do the same as above here and subtract another 1,000. I get that 1,000 by multiplying. Should have had these in brackets. 5 times 200. That's another 1,000. I subtract again. I've now got 105. I now think, what can I multiply by 5 to get close to this? Well, I know that 5 times 20 is 100. I subtract that. I've got 5 left. Well, 5 times 1 equals 5. I subtract that. And I've got 0, nothing left. Now I need to add up these, the 200, the 200, the 20, and the 1. Take them out, line them up. Make sure you do your addition correctly. If you can't do your mental maths, 421 is my quotient. Yeah, you can use whatever numbers you want here at the side. Obviously, the bigger numbers you use at the start, the quicker you can do this. I could have done 5 times 100 and kept going and kept going. It would have been a lot more work. Yeah, it's whatever you're comfortable with and whatever time allows as well, I suppose. Okay, good luck with it.